Shinshiv, Gillespie Machgerigish, your Gaelic speech coach here. Another day at Soul Mo Rostig. And as I say, I'm here to help you get rid of English words from your Gaelic. And one of the words that I hear, so this is quite subtle, is in that name, Soul Mo Rostig. Now this little word in the middle, Mór, means big. But what do I hear all the time instead? Soul More Ostig. So it's not a lawnmower, it's a big barn, Soul Mode. So the thing we have to get used to when we're learning Gaelic is that there are very pure vowel sounds that we don't tend to use in English. So we have to get, consciously make that long, pure vowel sound, like one note. Mór. Soul Mo Rostig. Shine. If you want more tips on how to get rid of English words and sounds from your Gaelic, subscribe to my channel and check out my Keys to Gaelic. I'll be dropping number 2 as soon as I get my computer working, because it's on the fritz. Okay, you. Lamagav.